Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, here I'll tell you how to unsubscribe from many unnecessary emails that you might have done at some time for some reason. So how to do that? So here what you need to do is simply go for open your Gmail, and once you open up your Gmail you can see this kind of screen coming up, and here what you need to do is simply go to the left and see there is something called more. So in more you can see, once you click on more, you can see there is something called, if you go down here, there's something called manage subscriptions. Well, I just want to tell you that if you have already subscribed to some emails or newsletters, then only this option will come, or else it will not come. So since I've subscribed to many emails, many newsletters, many websites, so this option is coming. If you have not, if you have just opened an email, or if you have not at all subscribed to any email or newsletters or any websites, then this option will not come. So simply manage, click on manage subscriptions. So you can see so many subscriptions I have here. So you can simply go here, and you can see at the right side, you can see these are the number of mails recently you have got from all these emails, all these subscriptions. And if you see that these are no more serving your purpose or it's not giving any value to you, simply go and unsubscribe from here. It's so easy. So you can also, like it is arranged in like A to Z in ascending order, you can simply go and go on unsubscribing this. So you can see how easily you can unsubscribe from various distractions or junk emails by simply using this technique. So that is it, friends. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please do subscribe to this channel. Well, in this video I have told you how to unsubscribe, but quite interestingly I again tell you to please subscribe to this channel infotainment for getting more of such technical videos. So till then, keep watching infotainment. Thank you.